Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn The Battle is the Lord by Rebecca St. James. Hard to get that name out. Before we get started and dive completely into this, click that subscribe button and check out my description below, guys. I'll have some resources for you as parents, if you are a parent, to learn with your kids. So basically what we do in the guitar community is I give you resources to not only learn yourself, but for your child to learn as well, and you guys learn together. So each lesson is really 2 or 3 lessons in one. So it'll have a simple lesson for your child, it'll have a harder lesson for you, and so basically as you're going through, you can go back through again, and there's always something new to learn within that lesson. It's meant for parents and children to learn together and play together, so that it fosters the desire to learn for both of you guys. So without any more interruption, let's get started with this. So we are going to start on the 5th fret of the D string and the B string. Alright, and we're going to kind of rock between these two. We're going to start with the B string, and it goes like this. So, and the rhythm here, it's kind of not consistent on the recording, so I've kind of come up with my own technique. The tab will have a specific rhythm. You don't have to follow it exactly if you want to do it. There are several different ways that you can do something similar to what the recording's doing, but I'm going to show you one way and the basic rhythm and things like that. Feel free to make it your own. So this is the first part. So I'm just going back and forth. So every time I hit the string, and I'm accenting this B string just a little bit more. And then you're going to go up to the 9th fret and the 8th fret. So 9th fret on the D string, 8th fret on the B string, and you're just going to pluck those two at the same time. And then you're going to go to the 7th fret on the B and D string. Then all the way up to the 12th, pluck that, then same thing, then 9th and 8th, 7th, and then you're going to go to the 3rd and 4th, so 3rd on the B, 4th on the D, and pluck those two. So basically, let's go through those chords. So 5th fret, then 9th and 8th, 7th, 12th, then 5th, 9th and 8th, 7th, and then 3rd and 4th. So let's go through that really slowly. 1, 2, and ready, go, and Alright, I'm going to slow it down a little bit, and notice that I'm sliding. I'm not moving my fingers, I'm letting them slide, and that's kind of a stylistic thing that I just started doing, and I kind of kept it because I liked it. So it's slide up. So I'm just going, and then go to the 7th, slide up to the 12th, and then back to here, 7th, slide down, and I do less of a slide there. I sort of do lift my fingers to go from here, so Let's go through it really, really slowly. 1, 2, ready, and... One more time. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or a request that you'd like to see me do, leave those in the comments below. And stay tuned for the play along with the tab at the bottom of the screen. This time I'm only going to do a normal speed version of this one. The slow one, it's harder to play with. It's not going to get you to play the rhythm as well, so I did not do the slow one. So what I would suggest in lieu of the slow one is to just work on trying to get, if you're having a hard time with the fingerings, work on just trying to get those chords with the fast one. So what I mean by that is to just try to just play one chord at a time, then and then try to work it up to adding the fingering in to that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.